Okay, so we are now in Asian Medical Hospital. Today is May 26 and katapos lang namin sa lahat. Okay? So we came here kanina, madaling araw, right after midnight, mga around 1 a.m. nakarating kami. Kasi Aya was having this, itong cycle na pag nag-rapid na daw or mas madalas na nag-contract, punta na sa hospital. So, yun, may discharge na siya, nakita niya lahat, yung mga signs and all of that. So, discomfort and all of that. So, yun, pumunta kami sa hospital, kanina 1 a.m. Again, it's May 26. And then we went to a certain room called Genesis. It's a nice name, Beginnings. We went there and the doctor, just, actually ako wala akong bag masyado kasi hinatid ko lang siya, nag-drive lang ako. And then siya yung nandun talaga sa room. So sila nag-usap ng doctor. There was a specific doctor assigned to her. So nandun siya sa isang parang cubicle, ano ba yung tawag doon. Hindi siya room na ganito. But yeah, a specific doctor was assigned to her to assist her, whatever, monitor siya and everything. So we were told na lakad na lang, hindi na kami uuwi kasi it's already there and may contract and all of that. So we stayed until mga 5 a.m. dito sa Asian and then we started walking because Aya got hungry. So if you guys are here from Alabang, Asian is within the Philinvest na parang malaking compound siya. So nilakad namin papuntang Commerce Avenue na McDo. Kasi yun lang yung open and it's 5, 6 a.m. morning. So wala masyadong open na mga mall nandito naman sa tapat pero hindi pa open. So we had to go there para makakain siya. So iyon, and then lakad naman kami pa balik dito mga 7 a.m. Kasi we had an appointment sa doctor niya at around mga 10, mga ganun. So, ayun. So, sa walk namin, by the way, Aya is really the real hero. Pero magsa-stop siya kasi parang, masakit yung tiyan niya, tapos lakad ulit. And mind you, it's not a short and sweet walk. Malayo siya. So, I think mga at least 2 kilometers yan per trip. So, papunta 2, pabalik 2. And then we're here dito sa hospital while waiting sa doctor. Dito na kami mga 8 something. We slept for like an hour and a half or mga 2 hours. And then the doctor arrived and we were told by our doctor, si Dr. Seaton, she's the best. Okay, very friendly, very accommodating, very chill. She told us naman some, medyo hindi naman siya alarming pero hindi siya ideal na things na gusto mo marinig when you're trying to pop a baby out, no? Kasi si Aya will be having like an augmented na labor, meaning nili-labor siya pero tinutulungan siya. May mga interventions na gagawin para tulungan siyang mag-labor. So ayun, actually at the moment, they're there na sa Genesis talking with the other doctors and checking her out kung anong gagawin. So, yun, I'm now here in the room. It's room 505. I'm saying this kasi by the moment this video is published, wala na kami dito. So, thank you, Lord. I'm saying this because I want to remember this room 505. This is the room where our first baby was born. Dito siya panganak or dito lang siya i-take care. But yeah, this is our room for at least 2 days. So the doctor said within 24 hours, there will be a couple of interventions done to Aya and to the baby para ma-labor niya. So, yun, meron siyang hypertension. Sabi ng doctor, nangyayari daw talaga yun. Mataas yung blood pressure niya. Tapos, may contraction siya pero hindi siya dilated. So, 2 cm lang siya. The ideal is 10 cm. So, the doctor is helping her to deal with all of that. But right now, this is what we have. And on a lighter note, this is a wonderful, wonderful room. So, i-room tour ko kayo. Kasi masyado tayong seryoso dito. Let's go and tour this room. Ito, you will be met with actually a curtain like that, no? Parang privacy curtain siya. Yan. And then pagkapasok mo ng pagkapasok, you'll be met with a mess of stuff. So, yung maleta, huwag mo lang pansinin. This wonderful na parang desk dyan where I think they'll be putting our food there. May malaking mirror. Okay, Aya loves that. And then merong cabinet. Yan. And then a television for, entertainment. And then eto na, the bed. Okay. Meron ditong chair sa gilid which conveniently has, a charging port there or a socket there. Thank you, Lord. Also that, eto, meron din tayong isang chair doon and a window na parang bench. Yan. And then this is the bed. This is a single bed, no? Of course, patient lang naman dyan. Di naman kami dalawa dyan matutulog. A regular telephone, everything that the hospital needs. A cross. Thank you, Lord Jesus. And then ito yung CR nila. Yan. Pag open mo ng CR, it's a decent CR. May decent siya na, toilet. May tissue. Thank you, Lord. Some assistive na, yung rails, or anong tawag dyan. Yun, decent na meron silang mga soap and everything, towels and everything, ganun. Hi there, that's me. And then, shower. Shower right there. Yan. Decent naman yung shower nila. I think meron silang hot and cold. Yan. It's a decent na CR. So, etong room 505, sa window namin, is a big na parang field sa labas or parang concrete space sa labas. I don't know what that is. Parang, ventilation siguro ng building or I don't know. But this is the view outside. Basically, it's another building. It's not so relaxing, but hey, here we are. So, yun, this is my version of the story. And before I turn it over to Aya, I'm just gonna say how proud I am sa kanya. She has been a really good mother all throughout the pregnancy. I mean, she tried, to eat healthy. She tried to exercise, and she tried to really be a good mom to take care of our child, our very first child. And yun, I just want to say na I'm very, very proud of her. Sobrang lakas niya. She could actually lift weights if she wants to, pero ayaw lang niya just to be safe also. Wisdom naman. Pero, it's an easy pregnancy. Wala siya masyado arte. I think, hindi maarte si baby eh. Siya ang maarte talaga. Maarte lang talaga yung asawa ko. But that's who she is. Women are expensive. Women have many things that they want in life. But that's just my wife being a woman. And I love it. Because I married a woman. Thank you, Lord. But, yeah, that's that for me. That's my perspective as a husband. I'm really proud of her. Asian has been serving us really well. All of the staff here, sobrang babait, from the guards to the doctors to the administration to the clerks. Lahat sila mabait lahat. Wala kaming bad experience doon. If you're looking for a good hospital, na mga anak kayo, you might want to visit Asian Hospital dito sa Alabang. So, that's my version right there. I'm gonna turn it over to Aya. Hi.
Life after flying.
Hello. How are you?
Finally relaxed. Nakalimutan ko na lahat ng pain. Just like that.
Sabi mo kanina, naisip mo isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
Pero,
Nakalimutan ko na yung pain.
pakita na ba natin si baby?
Na may emoji.
Hi.
Milk drunk siya. O, tinan mo yung ano niya.
Hi, baby.
Around his mouth. Oh.
Look at that. Ito yung ano niya, oh. Yung details niya, oh. Yan. Yes, our baby. Hi. Hi, Mr. Baby.
Mr. Mio. Hmm.
Okay. Hi. Ang sasabi mo?
Nakakaiyak.
Na?
First time delivering a baby. Sobrang surreal. Lalo na habang nagpo-push. And ang sarap sa feeling na yung buong team ng doctors and medical practitioners are rooting for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You okay?
Uy.
You okay, love? Paano siya Wait, hindi pa siya nag-burp.
Oh, do I need to?
Agad ba pagkatapos mag-milk? Kasi baka malunod siya. Baka ma-uncomfortable siya.
Hi. Hi, Mr.
Hindi na tinatanong kay mom.
Mm-hmm.
Be, is this it? This is the diaper.
Sleeping man.
Should we make a burp right away?
First time parents.
Only God can judge us.
Hi.
He's real. Oh.
Mabait to. Mabait tayo. Hoy. Isa pa. Gusto ko isa pa.
Girl
Ganito
boy.
eh. Let's go, girl.
Grabe, no? I can just imagine yung twins, yung anak. Okay, nakalabas na po isa. O, isa pa, mami. Push. Oh, Diyos ko, Lord.
Baby.
Mabait to.
Bait yun eh. Hindi iyakin eh. Siyakin pa ata si daddy dito eh.
Strong yan kanina. Ay, cute oh. Heartbeat niya ba? Na breathing niya.
Breathing niya.
Ay, cute. Ay, oo. Naran namin yun sa cabin crew. Breathing rate ng infants. Cutie!
Bait yan eh. Oh, bait oh. Bait yan. Tayo dyan.
You can just stare at him.
Pogi na bata.
Maputi siya, no?
Actually.
Nangitim sa'yo. Ay, nangitim ka sa kanya.
Bait yan eh.
Mahal ka namin. Napakamahal mo na, baby.
Weight niya is 6 pounds and 1 ounce.
22:47, 10 p.m. pala siya pinanganak.
50 centimeters. Yung head niya is 33 and chest 32.
Babe, I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. We meet a human being. Uy, are you gising?
No, tulog yan.
Gumagan na.
Normal daw talaga yan pag nagtutulog yung bata.
Oh, okay.
Gumagalaw. Gusto ko ito dumidin na ito eh.
Just wake us up, ha? Hindi, 2 hours kailangan ka mag-time.
2 hours. Hindi ulit.
2, 3 hours. Gawin ko na lang 2. Ito malaki, mabilis lang ito lalaki. Kasi yung takaw niya sa breast milk. Yung tenga niya parang sa'yo, love. Tarang mo.
Musician to.
Love, kailangan niya na ba mag-burp?
Yes. Ayan. Kanin. Oh, ay. It's okay. It's okay.
Immediately after feeding, ipa-burp mo na. Diyos ko, ipa-burp mo, love. Burp your newborn immediately after feeding.
Come here. Come here kay daddy, ha? Come here kay daddy, ha? Come here, ha?
Careful sa ano, love, ha? Head and neck. You're okay.
Sit down,
You're
ha? Sit down,
okay.
sit down, ha? Excuse me. Excuse me. Gusto mo sa'yo?
I love, sakit ng ano ko eh. Ikaw na lang.
Kapugi nga, baby.
Paano? Hindi pa
Poor baby. The first one is a little daunting and kind of scary when you're a new mom, but this is the way they teach you at the hospital. So you hold in a V-like position, and it's not their neck, it's just their chin, and then you curve her this way.
Hi.
You should hear the gas.
Kanina
Hello.
pa po pala tayo ng kumain.
Yes po.
Tapos, due to work na lang po tayo ng 5 a.m.
Ano po?
Ng 5 a.m. Kailangan po makauwi na tayo ng 5 a.m.
Okay.
Sa CR.
For...
Nag-catheter po kasi
Oo,
tayo.
oo.
To check lang din po if patent yung bladder natin. Kaya, before po, kahit kailangan mag-baby tayo kasi kung hindi,
Okay.
baka mag-catheter ulit tayo. So, I advise po na madaming tubig.
Okay.
And if need po ng assistance, may urge na po ba mag-baby? Wala po. O, tubig po muna tayo din. Pag may urge na po, pwede tayo po mag-call po. Para
ma-assess.
Opo. Tapos,
Okay.
stimulate din natin.
Okay. Thank you.
So, tawag na lang po sila pag kami.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ano, love? Kamusta?
Ay, gumawa siya. Gumawa siya.
Gawa
Yun na ba
na?
yan?
Oo, yun yan.
Okay.
Nalapag mo ba siya na maayos?
Love, oh.
Thanks, love.
Tabi ko na lang to dun. Hi.